What is up, everyone? Today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing a new figure I got. This is the Elite Hot Picks John Cena. Look at this. It's basically the doctor of thugonomics, John Cena. So here's like the front of the packaging, the side, and here is the back. Has his information. You guys can pause the video to read. And then another picture of him. Yeah. And so let's get this figure open. So here is a little piece of tape here. There we go. Is that the only piece of tape? Trying to get this. There we go. There we go. Ooh. There it is. Right there. It's about to get open. Alright, so let's get this open. There we go. Got this thing open. Let's get this thing out. I'm gonna start off with the shirt. Ooh. Little fabric shirt here with the old WWF logo, and it has word life on it. And then let's get the John Cena out. Oh wait, I might get the hands out. The interchangeable hands. And then there we go. Oh yeah, also this stuff here. Little hand things here. There we go. Have it out of the box. So here is the figure. Comes with a lot of stuff here. So we have this, John Cena, and then two little world life things that he wears on his hand. And then this cloth shirt. Also, this little necklace you can take off, and then this little hat that has a WWF logo. And yeah, so here's the John Cena. I'll get the thing out to her. There we go. So here's like the necklace. You can take off, put it back on. Yeah. And it kind of looks like, it's like his old logo, like, or like his old, like, like physique, I guess. But like, this is Dr. Thugonomics, John Cena right here. So yeah. Let's see. Okay, so here's like the finger things. Let's see if they go on. So I first put life. Bro, I'm gonna lose these in the first, like, minute. I swear I'm gonna lose these. Or do they go on like this? Let me see if I can figure out how to get these things on. Yeah. Oh, never mind. Okay, well, here's my both John Cena's right here. The both John Cena's that I have. And yeah. This one's really old. But yeah, here's my new one. You can't see me. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.